So once you find out the intersection points for the base, so here you can observe A, B, C, D. So that will represent the base, bottom base. Take the projections from the top base and find out its intersection points. So this ABCD that will represent the top base. Okay. Now we have to observe from the top direction. So just assume that you are looking at this object from this direction. Okay. And the edges which are nearer to the observer, they must be visible. Okay. So if you observe from this direction in vertically downward, okay, the first edge which is visible, this is the A dash and the B dash. Okay. So these two edges in the top view, they must be visible. So we have to show this by continuous thick line. So this AAH, that is vertical edge, and BB, so they are visible in the top view. Similarly, the base edge A dash B dash. Okay, so here A dash and B dash, they represent one edge. Okay, so this edge means this edge AB, that will be visible in the top view. So this is a continuous thick line. Now the CD edge, which is in the HP, that is the hidden edge from the top view. Okay, so we have to show this by continuous thin dash line. So CD is the hidden edge. Now observe the top base. So in the top base, complete top base is visible. Okay, so all the edges will be visible. That is AC, sorry, AD, AB, BC, and CD. Okay. So join these points by continuous thick line. So this is your second stage top view. Only one edge is hidden, that is the DC, which is in the HP. Okay. Now in the third stage, we will make this edge DC inclined to vertical plane by angle 45 degree, and then we will complete the final stage front view. Okay. So second stage top view and the third stage top view, both will be same, only their orientation is different. So draw one line at 45 degree because we want to make this CD incline at 45 degree. And take some distance with respect to this point and then draw this view as it is. So when you draw this view on this line, okay, just take care that this line CD, it will not cross this XY line. Okay. So this line, it represents the AB. Now complete this view as it is. Okay. So for that, you have to transfer all the distances on this view. Okay. So first draw two vertical lines perpendicular to this line. Okay, so on this line, we have to draw this line AD. So take the distance AD. You can use compass directly. So this is 70.41. Okay, so we have located A point, B point, C and D point. Okay. Similarly, take the distance for DC, that is the hidden edge, and this AB. Okay, so once you complete this view where this edge CD, it is inclined to vertical plane by 45 degree. Okay, so basically CD is inclined to 45 degree. So AB will be 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree. Now take the projections in the front view. So here I am using the red lines for the bottom base. Okay, now take the projections from the second stage front view. So take the projections from the bottom base. Okay, now try to find out the intersecting points. So this is the A dash. So you can observe here the projector from A and projector from A dash. So their intersection is A dash point. The next point. So this is the B. So here you can observe the B point, that is the B dash point. Next, this is a projector from D. So this is the D dash point. Sorry, this is not a B dash point. This is a B dash point. And this is C dash point. Okay, so in this way you can find out the location for A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash in the front view. Okay, now just observe from this direction. So this is the position of observer for the final stage front view. Okay, so this is the observer for the front view. Okay, so from this direction, observe the edges which are nearer to the observer. Okay, so AB is nearer to the observer, even CD is nearer to the observer. Okay, so from this direction, the complete base, that is the bottom base ABCD, it will be visible. Therefore, we have to connect all these points by continuous thick line. Okay, so connect AD, CD, then CB and AB by a continuous thick line. Okay, so this complete base is visible. Now next, try to find out the intersection for the top base. So take the projections. And similarly, take the projections from the front view. Okay, so these are the points A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. They will represent the top base. Okay. Now observe from this direction. So if you observe from this direction, then only CB, it will be visible. Okay. So connect this CB, which will be visible edge. Then CC will be visible, which is a vertical edge. Then BB, it will be visible. And this A dash, that will be visible. Okay. So A dash, B dash, it will be also visible. Now the edges which are inside these visible edges, they will be hidden edges. Okay. So there are three edges. One is D dash, So it is a hidden edge. So D dash, it is a vertical edge. So this is hidden. Then CD will be hidden. And A dash, D dash, it will be hidden edge. Okay, so in this way you can complete the third stage front view. So when you complete the final stage front view, that is the third stage, you have to observe this view, that is the top view, and second stage front view and top view. Okay, so you will need some imagination to draw this final view. So for that, you observe the three-dimensional image and then try to visualize which are the visible edges from the front view, and then complete the final stage front view. Okay, so try to complete this problem on the drawing paper.